Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter T. It looks like this in capital, a big T. And in small letter, it's a little t. To write the capital letter T, follow simple steps. 1. Start at the top, just below the line. Draw a straight vertical line downward to the third line. 2. Next, draw a horizontal line across the top of the vertical line, making a T shape. 3. Lift the pencil. To write the small letter T, 1. Start at the top, just above the second line. Draw a straight vertical line downward. 2. Then, add a small horizontal line to the right, starting from the middle of the vertical line, at the top. 3. Lift the pencil. Great! You have successfully learned how to write alphabet T, both in small and capital letters. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!